Hello and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will be sharing an 400 words essay on right to freedom of expression. This is an essay that I have personally collected and written. So let's get started with this essay. The topic is right to freedom of expression. Right to freedom of expression and freedom of opinion are among the most fundamental rights in a democratic republic. The prerequisite for a political system to run in a democratic way is to provide its citizens with a power to form their opinion on certain issues and express their views unhindered, unfettered by the fear of retribution. It allows people of the country to freely engage in the social, cultural as well as political affairs. In India, this right, the right to freedom of expression, is protected under the Article 19(1)(a) and is fundamental to our democracy. However, Article number 19 para 2 imposes certain reasonable restrictions on all the fundamental rights constituting that of freedom of speech and expression. This right is available solely on the citizen of India, not on the citizen of any other country. The restrictions imposed with respect to this fundamental right are in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, protection of the republic, cooperative relation with foreign states, public order, decorum and morality, and contempt of court, defamation and simulation of an offence. The people of India declare their solemn resolve to secure to all the citizens liberty of thought and expression in the preamble to the Constitution of India. At the same time, a law punishing statements made with the deliberate intention to hurt the cultural, religious or sentimental feelings of any class of people is necessary because it imposes us restriction on the right of freedom in the interest of public order. For the speech or expression that has the tendency to lead to a breach of the peace or create public disorder, there must be a sound and proper nexus or link between the restrictions and the attainment of public order. Freedom of expression is a basic requirement that should be fulfilled by every civil society, but in this age of modernization, this right is just not limited to expressing one's views through words, but it also includes circulating one's view in writing or through audiovisual instrumentalities, through advertisement and through any other communication channel. It incorporates the right to information and freedom of press as well. Freedom of speech and expression is like a buttress to a democratic government and should be regarded as the first condition of liberty. So that's it for this short 400 words essay on the topic right to freedom of expression, and I hope that the people who are watching this video hopefully like this particular essay. So this is going to be the first essay, and in the future videos I will be posting on various different topics also. So thank you for watching.